Today I'm going to show you how to add text behind an object in CapCut PC, step by step, so your edit looks clean, cinematic, and way more professional. This is a really popular effect for shorts, reels, intros, and social media edits because it makes your text feel like it's part of the scene instead of just sitting on top of it. And the best part is, once you understand the layering trick, you can use it again and again on any project. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut PC and bring your video into the project. Drag your main video clip down onto track 1 on the timeline. This is going to be your base layer, so make sure your clip is placed properly and ready to work with. Next, go to the top left menu and click on Text. From there, choose Default Text. Once the text appears, drag it down onto track 2, directly above your video clip. This is important because the text needs to sit between the background video and the duplicated foreground layer. Now click on the text and style it the way you want. You can change the font, size, color, spacing, and alignment until it matches the look you're going for. Place the text exactly where you want it on the screen, because this will be the final position once the effect is complete. Then stretch the edges of the text clip on the timeline so it lasts the full length of your video. That way, the text stays visible throughout the whole section. After that, right-click the text layer and convert the text layer to a compound clip. This helps keep everything organized and makes the layer easier to manage as you continue editing. Now comes the key part of the effect. Select your main video clip on track 1. Then hold the Alt key, click and drag the clip straight up to track 3. This creates a duplicate of your video and places it above the text layer. In other words, you're building a top layer that will eventually reveal the object in front while the text stays behind it. Once the duplicate is in place, select the top video clip on track 3 and look at the Properties panel in the top right corner. Go to Video, then find Remove BG. This is where CapCut helps you separate the subject or object from the background. If you're using the Auto option, check the Auto Removal box and CapCut will try to isolate the human figure automatically. This works really well for people in the frame and is usually the fastest method, but if you're using the free version or you need more control, choose Customized Cutout instead. Then click Brush and paint over the specific object or subject you want the text to appear behind. Take your time here and make sure you brush over the right area, because this determines what stays in front of the text. Once the cutout is applied, the top layer will keep the subject visible while the text remains underneath, creating that cool behind the object effect. If the edges look a little rough, you can refine the brush area or adjust the mask until it blends better. It may take a little testing, but that's what gives the final result a clean, professional look. After that, play the video back and check the motion. Make sure the text is properly hidden behind the object and that the alignment still looks natural as the clip moves. If needed, go back and reposition the text, resize it, or tweak the cutout until everything lines up perfectly. This effect works best when your subject has clear separation from the background, so if your footage is a little busy, take your time and fine-tune it. And that's it, you've just learned how to add text behind an object in CapCut PC. It's a simple technique, but it can instantly make your edits look more advanced and visually interesting. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and let me know in the comments what effect you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.